How do I check file size in Python? How do I get the size of a file in Python?
Use os.path.getSize. The output is in bytes.
You need the st_size property of the object returned by os.stat. You can get it by either using pathlib, Python 3.4+, or using os.stat. Output is in bytes.
The other answers work for real files, but if you need something that works for file-like objects, try this. It works for real files and stringos, in my limited testing. Python 2.7.3, the file-like object API isn't really a rigorous interface, of course, but the API documentation suggests that file-like objects should support seek and tell. Edit. Another difference between this and os.stat is that you can stat a file even if you don't have permission to read it. Obviously the seek/tell approach won't work unless you have read permission. Edit 2. At Jonathan's suggestion, here's a paranoid version. The version above leaves the file pointer at the end of the file, so if you were to try to read from the file, you'd get 0 bytes back.
Result.
Using pathlib, added in Python 3.4 or a backport available on Pippy. This is really only an interface around os.stat, but using pathlib provides an easy way to access other file-related operations.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.